In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your GOG library in GOG Galaxy step by step so you can quickly find every game you own, see what's already installed, and check which titles are currently downloading on your PC. If you've ever opened GOG Galaxy and weren't quite sure where to look, this guide will make it simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll want to sign in with your GOG account. This is important because your library is tied to your account, so you need to be logged in before you can see your full game collection. After you've signed in, take a look at the main navigation inside GOG Galaxy. The first place you want to click is Owned Games. This section shows all of the games that you have purchased and claimed on your GOG account. Think of this as your full personal library. If you bought a game on GOG, it should appear here. Now, if you want to narrow things down and see only the games that are already on your computer, click Installed. This section is especially useful when you don't want to search through your entire collection. Here, you'll find the games that are downloaded and installed on your PC, ready to play whenever you want. Next, click Downloads. This is where GOG Galaxy keeps track of games that are currently downloading or have been downloaded on this PC. If you started a game download and want to check the progress, pause it, or just see what's happening behind the scenes, this is the tab to use. So just to recap, Owned Games shows everything you own, Installed shows the games already on your computer, and Downloads shows games that are downloading or downloaded on this device. Once you know where each section is, it becomes much easier to manage your entire GOG library without any confusion. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.